If you got that entrepreneur mindset, keep watching. If you're not into business, this is not for you. Keep scrolling. I want to show you guys how you can make 5 to 10,000 or even more by doing this. All you guys need is a phone and a laptop, and you don't have to have a MacBook. Now this is called virtual real estate wholesaling, way more simply than local wholesaling. All right, guys, here it is, my #1 website, PropStream. Let's talk about the features. Property search. Now this right here by far is my favorite feature of this website. You get foreclosed properties, tax liens, cash buyers, high equity. You get pretty much everything you're looking for, even flippers. And since we're doing this virtually, of course, you need DocuSign. Basically, what DocuSign do is just, let you send off contracts to other people that are in different states when it comes to closing your deals and stuff. Now, of course, there's a little bit more to the game, but if you would like to learn more, go ahead and leave me a follow and send me a private message and we can get to it.